What are your aspirations for the future?
Travel around the world, meet Luminous, and make
Oh.
more music. And perform on big stages.
Describe yourself in 3 words.
Wow! You mean 3 words? Elegant, passionate, chaotic. Ooh.
Kimchi or Chhenaporo?
Kimchi and achar. Chhenaporo is different.
Chhenaporo ସବୁବେଳେ ମୁଁ choose କରିବି ମୁଁ ଛେନାପୋଡ଼ ବି କେମିତି ଛାଡ଼ିଦେବି
ବାସି ପଖାଳ ସଜ ପଖାଳ
ବାସି ପଖାଳ ମତେ ମାଛ ପସନ୍ଦ ଲାଗେ ମାଛ ଭଲ
ଓ that fried one ଭଜା
ଭଜା ଭଜା ଭଜା ସେ ଲଙ୍କାରେ ଚକଟିକି ଏଟା ହଉଛି ବେଷ୍ଟ
ଓହୋ ପ୍ରିୟରେ ପଖାଳ ଖାଇ ହୁଏ ନା ହୁଏନି
Oh my gosh.
Hello, I'm Prachi. Welcome to Celeb Corner on Orissa Post Live. And today we step into the dazzling world of K-pop, where precision meets passion and South Korea sets the global beat. Breaking into this fiercely competitive industry is no small feat. And yet, Shriya Lenka did just that. India's first K-pop idol is here with us, and her story is nothing short of extraordinary.
Welcome Shreya. Hi, how are you?
Hello, thank you. Namaskar.
Namaskar.
I'm good. How are you?
I'm super fine and thank you so much for accepting our invitation and we are glad to have a conversation with you.
Thank you. I'm happy as well to talk with you.
Our pleasure. Tell us something about your new song, I Like It Hot. It's really good, I'll say.
Oh, okay. So I Like It Hot is a summer song. And as the title says, I like it hot. So it's based on more of like, hot summer vibe. And especially for the people and especially for the girls and we are showing a little bit of girl power saying that we like it always hot, everything is hot. So that's what it is.
Well, girls like it hot.
And we are hot.
So, we are hot. That's true. Well, I have seen that video and that's fabulous. You did a really, really great job. I liked it personally.
Oh, thank you
I liked
so
it
much.
personally.
Thank you so much.
Shreya, how involved were you in the songwriting and the choreography process of the song?
I wasn't involved in songwriting. I was involved in choreographing. Because at the time, at the time we got just the song and it was really hyped when we listened to it regularly. So me and our leader Fatuni, she we were just jamming to the song and we just suddenly clicked oh, let's make the choreography together. So we just make a whole choreography. Yeah, I did more of rap parts and she did the other parts. So that's how it was invented, the choreography. I hope everyone likes it. But yeah, we did a little bit of creation of ours. But yes, and it turned out like everyone likes it. So it's a very good opportunity. It was a very good opportunity for us to, get to hear from everyone.
Yes. That's really nice, really nice. Shreya, which song of yours means to you the most and why?
Wow, I think every song has its own story and own paras. But if I have to choose, I would choose Roll Up. And also, and the whole Roll Up playlist, because I think I was a different person. And I got to, because, I'm still getting to know myself and I'm trying my best to see who I am. So that's why I think Roll Up had given me a boost of confidence after when it was released. And I think after Roll Up, everything has been changed. So
that's really nice. That's really nice. Shreya, I'll go a little deep into your team.
Sure.
Okay. So, who in the group is the most serious during practice?
Ooh, I think everyone during practice is serious, but I think Fatu only, and then me, and then Anbuni, and everything comes together, I guess. Yeah, I think Fatu only, and then me.
Oh, good. I think that we can call it as a Girls.
Girls.
Girls style.
Everyone is very serious, to be honest. I don't know how to choose them, but I absolutely, you can see how Fatuni is always.
Yes,
She is very serious.
So, yes, she is. Describe a day in your life as a Black Swan member from day to night.
Oh, wow. I think it depends. It's every day is different. So sometimes it's like I would wake up early in the morning and then we'll have some schedules, and then after finishing the schedules we might have practice, or either we will have some kind of like workouts routines. We will go to workouts, come back, practice, and then we'll have something else schedules like motion, or maybe some kind of more practice. Yes.
Oh, that seems an interesting and a happening day.
Yes, and sometimes it just goes like it goes till late at night as well. So you don't know what schedule is every day. But yeah, it's busy.
Yeah. That's good. So Shreya, what's your favorite memory with your bandmates so far? Huh?
Oh wow. ऐसे कैसे एक चूज करूं मैं? मेरे को इतना डिफिकल्ट सिचुएशन में डाल दिया हो.
You are in a trouble.
Oh my god. I think जब भी whenever I travel with my girls to a different country would be the best memories I would get.
Okay.
Because you know, it's like obviously we have like every single day we are living together in Seoul and just like doing our works, but traveling together it's something different, and you get closer when you travel more. So I think I would choose whenever I travel, I have a really, really good memories with them.
Do you ever find it difficult to express your emotions through lyrics or interviews in a language that's not your mother tongue?
Absolutely. I think that's one of the I would say situation that I faced earlier, because of course English is not my mother tongue, and also Korean wasn't my mother tongue as well. So both, like, of course in English I can explain till somewhat, but in Korean it was difficult at first because I didn't need Korean. And expressing my feelings through that and not knowing the words exactly what it meant, I think that time I think I had a hard time like expressing my feelings and knowing the feelings and knowing what the word is meant.
Okay. Yeah, it must have been difficult. I can... Yes. So, Shreya, you are the first Indian K-pop idol.
Yes.
What does that achievement mean to you personally and for aspiring artists in India?
For me, I would say I'm blessed, to be honest. And for me, I see as representing as a country. Yes, representing my country, and that's what all it means to me. And I'm just sometimes very proud that I got this opportunity, and I'm so thankful and grateful for every single person who has supported me till this journey. I don't think I could ever be here without any single person in my life who has supported me. So I'm just very grateful, and I don't even have words how to express these feelings that I have.
Yeah, I can understand, because being a girl is actually difficult to face without any support.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so I can understand. I can understand. Oh, what was the moment you knew about you wanted to become an idol, the K-pop idol?
There was this moment, because every single time from my childhood, I would say I was very, very much into like dancing, artistic, sports. I was very open to everything. I'm a person who is like open book, and I'm like very much a person who like loves to learn and try new things.
Wow.
I'm a really adventurous person. So so that's why I'm a lot. That's why you see me a lot being chaotic. But
I got you.
I think there was a moment where I think the COVID took me till here, because in COVID, it was
Wow.
like everything was shut down, and I used to like K-pop. Like I was a fan of K-pop like back like it's been more than 6 to 7 years now. So
Wow.
like at the time I used to just listen to K-pop and just like I was just a fan. And then suddenly when I got to know that there was an audition opening in online while the COVID was going on, so that's when I thought that why should I not give a try? Like, you know, just for like,
That's nice.
yeah, I just started for like to check, but I actually fall in love. And after 1.5 years of like
Wow.
putting hard works and giving auditions, I got selected by this company, DM Music.
Wow, that's inspiring and that's so good. But I liked it. Why? Just giving it a try and getting selected, it means like you have achieved
Yeah.
something which you have not expected in that
That
level.
level. Because in COVID, there was a thing that nothing was open. No, I cannot practice anywhere. So I used to only practice on the terrace. That's how I used to
Yes,
shoot
yes.
the videos, and I have to send them the videos on terrace. So every video you see, either it's at home or either it's in terrace.
Yes, yes, yes. That's nice. Well, Shreya, what
Yeah.
was the most challenging part of the audition and training process, especially the training process for Black Swan?
Ooh, ooh, oh my gosh! I would say there was.
I can assume something.
I think the whole process was difficult because you never know that what
Okay.
is gonna happen. So you have to put every single day your 100%, either no 200%. I would say 200%, or you won't know what's gonna happen next. So it was a
Yes.
fear inside me, and I was afraid to like doing so many things also, and always thinking of if I don't do this today, it's not gonna happen. So I put it everything on that era, I would say. Still, I'm still learning about that. I have to work. I also have to learn more. I have still way more to go. But at the time, I was really in fear, and
Oh.
I would say the whole day, even we don't used to rest properly. Yeah, and especially
Oh, okay.
for me, the training process was like, because in the morning I would have university, so I used to
Okay.
wake up at like 6 something, so that we can attend like 7 to
That's
1:30
too
or
early.
2. And after that we used to get ready, and in just an hour we used to go to the practice room, and we used to practice till like 10 or 12. Depends every day. And then we used to shoot the video, and then we used to come back to home, and then I used to do more of my homeworks that is left, because the exams were always in once in a week or like twice in a week. So it was, you have to like also carry with the study stuff. That's why I think I didn't sleep at the time that much. Even the Sundays were workouts.
Oh my god.
Even
Oh
the
my god.
Sundays were workouts.
To be honest, that was torturing. That was.
I mean that actually, if I wouldn't have done that, then I wouldn't be here. So I think every
Yeah.
training process is. I think every part of our life is difficult, and of course it would feel like. So I was saying that the training session, it was difficult. I think every part of the life would feel like trash sometimes, to be honest. But that, I think those type of moments and situations and times comes to make us
Yeah.
more stronger. So I'm glad
Yes.
that I went through that. So today I can see a different self in me.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. Hard work finally pays off.
Yes. Still more to go.
Uh, many more to go.
Many more to go. Exactly.
How did your family react when you got selected as a member of Black Swan?
Ooh, my family was very happy. They always have been very supportive from my childhood. So, and they are the person who exposed me to this industry. So I think they were the
Wow.
most happiest persons, and they were very proud. And my father said that he wasn't expecting those things to come.
Whoa.
And my mother was a little bit worried because she doesn't, obviously, no parents would like to send their child in such
Yes.
an early age to foreign country just alone,
Yes, yes.
So my mom
yes.
was a little bit like,
Foreign
no.
countries a bit far, but even within India,
In
it's like
India, yeah.
our children should be with us.
Exactly. So it was like a little bit difficult situation to make out with
Yeah.
my mom, because it was a very, very difficult situation to make her agree with,
Oh, yes.
for me to go. So that's why we lied to her, but in the end, she just got like out from her chest.
Oh,
everything.
great. Okay.
Nowadays, everything is very
Yeah. That's good. Shreya, do you ever find it, whenever you think about your past, so was it difficult for you to manage your academics
good.
and your passion together? So was it difficult for you?
Actually, no. I was. Sometimes it would be difficult when I used to go out for competitions. At the time,
Okay.
yes, because then my study would be a little bit delayed, and then I have to catch up
Oh,
to stay late at night to catch up the remaining studies. I think,
okay.
but it was a fun part of my life. I used to love dancing. So after coming back from school, फेंकती थी अपना bag, and
Okay.
I just used to run back to my
That was the craziness for now.
Yeah, I
That was
was
the
like-
love for dance.
I love for dance. It's like, my teacher were like, it's like sometimes, there is like timings that you have to come in this, like, you have to get this session, so you have to
Yes,
come at this
yes,
time.
yes.
I don't used to care. I used to get whatever time I want. And they never complained about that. I even used to stay there for like late at night, so they never actually cared.
Whoa, that's different and that's interesting.
It is very interesting. I used to just stay because at late at night, because there will be more people there, because in India there are groups that they practice at really late at night, and I
Yes,
used to be very curious. I used to be very, very like, oh, they're gonna come, I want to see them dance, and I want to like get experience from them, and I want to learn. That's why I used to learn b-boy from them. Whenever they get a small bit, I was to just watch like back. And when they get a little rest, I was like, "Bhaiya, so sikha do na mere ko."
that's great. That's great. That's really great. Well, that shows the craziness, that love, that enthusiasm towards learning dance.
Dance, exactly.
So that's really nice. That's really nice. But have you ever faced any skepticism from your teachers or your peers about choosing non-traditional paths like K-pop?
Ooh, yeah, I did. Actually, because when you don't know where you are going to, so of course the doubt is gonna come up, like what you gonna do in your life. You just remove the traditional dance, traditional classical dance from your life. You think you can achieve.
Mm-hmm.
I have heard of these things a lot. But the thing is, in the end, the choices comes to me, and of course I can. I know they were worried. That's why they tell, but it's not even right at some point. I can see, but yeah, I heard those stuff.
Yeah. Oh. Well, Shreya, what are your aspirations for the future, both as an individual artist and as a part of Black Swan?
Ooh, travel around the world, meet Luminous, and make more music, and perform on big stages. That's the only dream from my childhood.
That will
till
come
now.
true. Touch wood, it will come true, and we are hoping to see you there.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Shreya, is there a dream collaboration you hope to do one day, like some artists from K-pop, like Blackpink or Twice? Are there any friends with you, like from this K-pop world?
There are my few friends from K-pop world, and I'm very close to them. And I'm glad that I got those friends. They are so fun. And of course, I would love to collaborate because there's so many amazing artists in this K-pop world. I would love to collaborate with so many artists, but My only wish,
Oh my god.
and my dream.
Oh
I
my
don't
God.
know if it's gonna come true or not. I'm just finger crossing and hoping that one day I get to collaborate with Kai Somini. Hi,
Oh
somebody
my god.
EXO.
You will. Well, it will seem like some other girls' dreams also come true if you'll work with him. Oh, that's really great. That's really great.
Finger crossed.
That's really good.
Finger crossed. Let's hope that comes true.
That's nice. That's nice. Okay, Shreya, if you weren't a singer, what other career would you have pursued?
Ooh. I think I would rather go for NCC, sports, or maybe dance choreographer.
Oh, I think you've achieved one.
Yes, I achieved one.
You are already one.
I achieved one.
Yeah. So that's really nice. That's really nice. Shreya,
Yes.
describe yourself in 3 words. And why did you choose those words?
Wow, you mean 3 words? Myself? I don't even know
Please.
myself. I will say just me. 3 words. Wow. Elegant, passionate, chaotic.
Okay, the last one was very good. Well, I can see myself there also.
Oh my
Chaotic.
Yes, I actually just accept that the fact that I'm too chaotic and I cannot live without being chaotic.
Well, that's our birthright. We can have that.
Yes.
Okay. Shreya,
Yes.
what's something fans would be surprised to know about your life as an idol?
Surprise! I think they know everything. They
Maybe something.
they actually so smart. I would say Luminas are so smart. Even you do some things and they don't know, but if you give them one hint, they will just know everything. And I'm like, how you guys know that? So I don't think there is
Whoa.
any expect that they don't know about me, like from acrobatics to like me trying to be model or me trying to be on
Oh.
some kind of like Indian television shows or any TV shows that I want.
Okay.
Yeah, but I think
Okay.
maybe one new thing would be me trying some kind of adventurous like
Okay.
shows. I would say maybe. I don't know.
Maybe.
But there is a one cute side of me, I can say that. No, don't want to accept it, but yeah.
Well, you are cute. You are cute.
My gosh, I don't want to explain.
Well, yes,
Thank you, though.
you are cute. Okay. Is the TikTok challenge you when you are in the K-pop industry? Does the TikTok challenge you, or the reality shows challenged you?
Oh, wow. I think both has their own paths and their own challenges.
Okay.
Because TikTok
Okay.
obviously will challenge every single time, It's everywhere.
Okay.
And the reality
Okay.
is like the reality challenge is much harder than the TikTok challenges. I would say that in my
Okay.
point of view, in my opinion, that till now what I felt. Because reality you have to face everything, but TikTok you can fake it.
Okay.
Sometimes, not
Okay.
every time, sometimes you can fake it.
Okay.
But you
Yeah.
cannot fake the in reality though.
That's true. That's true. Okay. Shreya, when are you visiting India? Or any upcoming tours here?
मेरे को जब भी बुला लो, I'm ready to go. मेरे को जाना है. I'm always ready to go to my country. Always.
Okay. But do you have any tours in the future to visit India?
Right now, not yet, I would say, but we are soon planning to.
Okay.
We'll see what
Whoa.
happens. We'll see what
So
happens.
the fans will get to know.
Yeah, the fans will get to know when the time comes.
But we'll see what happened. That was really nice. And you. Okay. Kimchi or chhenaporo?
Kimchi and achar. Chhenaporo to different.
छेनापोड़ सबବେଳେ ମୁଁ ଚୁଜ କରିବି ମୁଁ ଛେନାପୋଡ଼ ବି କେମିତି ଛାଡ଼ିଦେବି
Chhenaporo is ସବୁବେଳେ choose.
Chhenaporo and kimchi doesn't come in the same category. Kimchi or achar.
Kimchi or achar?
किमची और अचार
Achar. She's a pure
ମୁଁ
Odia girl.
କହୁଛି ମୁଁ ପୁରା ପ୍યોର ମତେ ସେ ପଖାଳ ଭାତ ଆଚାର ସାଙ୍ଗରେ ଦରକାର ବୁଝିଲ
Oh my god. She's talking about ପଖାଳ ଭାତ and achar.
ମୁଁ-
So can you imagine?
ମୁଁ ଲିଟରାଲି ଦେଶୀ ମୁଁ କହୁଛି ମୁଁ ସତରେ କେତେବେଳେ ମତେ ଏମିତି ଫିଲ୍ ହୁଏ କି ଲାଇକ୍ ମୁଁ ଏଇଠି ଆସିକି ମତେ ଖାଲି ପଖାଳ ଖାଇଛି ମୁଁ ମମି ବାପା ସାଙ୍ଗେ କଥା ହେବି ସେତେବେଳେ ମୁଁ କହିବି ମା ମତେ ଟିକେ ପଖାଳ ଖାଇକି ଇଚ୍ଛା ହଉଛି ପଖାଳ ଚୁନା
But
ପକା ଶାଗ
ସେଟା Oh my god. Oh my god.
ସେଇଆ।
କୋରିଆରେ ପଖାଳ ଖାଇ ହୁଏ ନା ହୁଏନି?
ଆରେ କୋରିଆରେ ଥୋଡି ପଖାଳ ଖାଇ ହବ ମୁଁ ତ ଏଇଠି ବନେଇବି ଯଦି ପଖାଳ ଖାଇ ହେଇଯିବ ଯେ लेकिन କଣ କହନ୍ତି ଏଇଠି ଯୋଉ ଇଏ ଆଟମୋସ୍ଫିୟର ସେଟା ଟିକେ ହୁଏନି अगर ବନେଇବି ତ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ଖାଇବାକୁ ପଡିବ ସେ ଟେଷ୍ଟ ଲାଗେନି ଆଉ ଏଇଟା ଦହି ଟିକେ
Otherwise that ପଖାଳ I'll say I don't know you're a fan of that ଶୁଖୁଆ ପୋଡା
ଶୁଖୁଆ ପୋଡା ଚଳିବ ମତେ ମାଛ ପସନ୍ଦ ଲାଗେ ମାଛ ଭଲ ପାଏ
Oh, that fried one ଭଜା
ସେ ଲଙ୍କାରେ ଚକଟିକି ସେଇଟା ହଉଛି ବେଷ୍ଟ
and ବିଲାତି ଚଟନି
ଏ
ଲଙ୍କା ରସୁଣ ଦଳା
ଏକଦମ ସେଇଟା ମୁଁ ପୁରା ଦେଶୀ ମୁଁ କୁହେ ମତେ ମୁଁ ଆକ୍ଚୁଆଲି ପିଜ୍ଜା ଚିକେନ ଫ୍ରାଇଡ ଜିନିଷ ଭଲ ପାଏନି ହଁ ମୁଁ ଇଭେନ ଏଇଠି ଯେତେବେଳେ ଖାଇବି ନା ତ ମୁଁ ଗୋଟେ ପିସ୍ ଖାଇବି ଏମାନେ ସମସ୍ତେ ଜାଣିଛନ୍ତି ତ ମତେ ମତଲବ ଭେଜିସ୍ ଆଉ ସ୍ପେଶାଲି ମତେ ଇଏ କଣ କୁହନ୍ତି ଶାଗ ବହୁତ ପସନ୍ଦ ଛୋଟ ବେଳୁ
ସଜନା
ସବୁ ଶାଗ ମତେ ପସନ୍ଦ ଯୋଉ ଶାଗ ବି ଦିଅ
Oh my god.
ସେଥିପାଇଁ ମୁଁ ପଖାଳ ଚୁନା ପକା ଶାଗ ମୋର ଗୋଟୁ ମୁଁ ତ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଯାଇଥିଲି ଇଣ୍ଡିଆ ମୁଁ କହିଲି ମୋ ମମି ବାପାକୁ ଖାଲି ମତେ ଚୁନା ପକା ଶାଗ ମାଛ ଭଜା ଆଉ ପଖାଳ ମତେ ଦେଇଦିଅ
Can I assume କରିପାରିବି କି next time ଶ୍ରିୟା ଲେଙ୍କା ଯେତେବେଳେ ଓଡିଶା ଆସିବେ then ପୁରା ଦେଶୀ ଖାଇବା ଟେବଲରେ ଥୁଆ ହେଇଥିବ ବାସି ପଖାଳ just one more question ବାସି ପଖାଳ ସଜ ପଖାଳ
ବାସି ପଖାଳ taste ଅଛି
Oh my god you won my heart you literally work is to one place but food is on my heart
I'm a very foodie ମୁଁ ବହୁତ ମତେ ଖାଇବାକୁ ନେଇକି ବହୁତ ଆଉ ଦେଶୀ ପଖାଳରେ ତ ସେଇଟା ଛୁଙ୍କ ଯୋଉ ଦିଅ ନା ଦହିରେ ଆମେ ଯୋଉ ଛୁଙ୍କ ଯୋଉ ଦେଉ ଦହି ଏତେ ଶାନ୍ତି ଲାଗେ
ଶୁଖିଲା ଲଙ୍କା
ବାସ୍ ମୁଁ ଏଇଠି ଖାଇପାରେନି ଆପଣ ଖାଇଦେବେ
ବର୍ଷା ସିଜନରେ ଶୀତ ଦିନରେ ବର୍ଷା ସିଜନରେ ପଖାଳ ଖାଇବାର ମଜା
ଆରେ ପଖାଳ କେତେବେଳେ ବି ଚାଲେ ଆମର
ସରି
ପଖାଳ କେତେବେଳେ ବି ଚାଲେ ଆମର
12 ମାସ 13 ପର୍ବ ଭଳିଆ 12 ମାସ ଯାକ ପଖାଳ
ଡେଲି ସତରେ
ଦହିବରା
ଆରେ ଦହିବରା ଅଫକୋର୍ସ ମତେ ଦହି ପସନ୍ଦ ଦହିବରା ପସନ୍ଦ ହବନି ମୁଁ ସକାଳେ ସବୁବେଳେ ଉଠିକି ଖାଉଥିଲି ସେଇଠି
Oh my god but I guess ଏଥର ବି ମାନେ ସେଠି ନିଜେ ବନେଇଲେ ହିଁ ଖାଇପାରୁଥିବ
ଦହିବରା ଯୋଉ ଇଏ ଯୋଉ ଠେଲା ଲଗାନ୍ତିନି ଯୋଉ ବାହାରେ ଯୋଉ ସେ ଗୁଗୁନି ସାଙ୍ଗେ ସବୁ ଦିଅନ୍ତି ସେଇଟା ବଢିଆ ଲାଗେ
that garnishing they'll do na like ସେଉ ପିଆଜ ଧନିଆ ପତ୍ର ଲଙ୍କା
ମତେ ଖାଇବା ଅଛି ମତେ କି ନେଇକି
Okay, don't worry. If in future we'll catch up,
yes,
we'll have a treat together.
Oh, let's go. I'm looking forward to it.
Let's go. We'll have a treat. We'll throw these boys out. We don't care about these boys.
I mean, we can have all together, no problem.
But no, we'll have a girls trip.
Okay.
We'll have a girls day.
I'm down for it.
And Shreya, just a small personal question.
Sure.
Is there anything?
No, unfortunately.
You got it. Well, there are many, but one-sided, like your fans.
Not yet. I think I'm so focused that I am unable to get into this.
Yes. I think
literally.
to some extent this is good. This is
yeah,
good.
for now, because right now I'm not looking for any relationship or any one-sided. Till now I haven't. Like, I don't know where the guy's at.
But if I'll ask you, if at all you look at future for that guy, so would you prefer anyone from your own profession or some other profession or from?
I think I wouldn't mind as long as he's good to me and good to my people around me. That's the only thing I want. I don't mind any profession because you never know, just you will click with any person. I don't mind any profession.
It's the destiny.
It's the destiny. I leave it to destiny.
It's the destiny. Oh, that's really nice. Well, I'm looking forward, if at all, when you'll visit Odisha. We'll catch up together.
Yes, why not?
So, Shreya, the last and the final one. What's a message you'd like to share to your fans from Odisha?
Oh, Moro Odisha Basi. Odisha Basi, I would just say that thank you so much for always being there. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद କରିବାକୁ ଚାହିଁବି କାହିଁକି ମୁଁ ଆଜି ଏଇଠି ପହଞ୍ଚିଛି ସବୁ ତମମାନଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ ହିଁ ଆପଣମାନଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ ହିଁ ଆପଣମାନଙ୍କ ସପୋର୍ଟ ଆଉ ଏତେ ସାରା ପ୍ୟାର ପାଇଁ ହିଁ ମୁଁ ଏତେ ଯାଏଁ ଆସିପାରିଛି ଆଉ ସବୁବେଳେ ମୁଁ ଏମିତି ହି कौन कहती कोरियन झटाक से आ जा रहा मेरे मुंह में देख रहे हो क्या बोलूं मैं इसको ମୁଁ ସବୁବେଳେ ମୁଁ ଏମିତି ହିଁ ଆହୁରି ବହୁତ ମେହନତ କରିବି ଆଉ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ବସ୍ ସପୋର୍ଟ ଆଉ ପ୍ୟାର ସବୁବେଳେ ମୋ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ରହିଲେ ବେଷ୍ଟ.
So that's all for today's episode. Hope you guys loved the conversation, and if you guys liked it hot, then smash the like button, share and subscribe to Orissa Post Live.